When you wake up, judges, remember who you serve. Not merely the statistics. You serve the citizens of Baltimore City, and they deserve the best you can give them. One day is not too much to ask.
A former Baltimore City judge calling a recent court decision unreasonable after the case was dropped against a man facing 2 life sentences and a first-degree murder charge.
That case was dismissed because the prosecutor was sick and requested a 1-day delay. Fox 45's Maxine Stryker has a former judge's strong words.
It was a shocking dismissal of a murder case Monday after Judge Melissa Finn denied a 1-day delay for a sick prosecutor. The result, accused murderer and repeat offender 22-year-old Draquan Smith's case was thrown out before his trial even began. According to the city state's attorney's office, the lead prosecutor, Paul Crawley, had contracted the flu and even obtained a doctor's note saying he could not be in court for jury selection, requesting a 1-day delay.
This prosecutor was doing his duty. Would you rather him come in sick and spread germs and illness around the courthouse? Or would you give him the 1 day, as his doctor has asked for?
But instead of granting the brief postponement, Finn demanded the state move forward with new counsel.
That's not an ideal practice of law.
Now retired Judge Wanda Keys Hurd spent 21 years on the bench in Baltimore City Circuit Court, at one point serving as chief judge.
Having another attorney pick your jury in a murder case is unreasonable. And it's unfair to the citizens of Baltimore, because they should get the best from the very beginning of the first voir dire question to the end of that case.
Hurd says a 1-day delay was not an unreasonable request in a case where the defendant was facing first and second-degree murder charges, 2 life sentences, and decades behind bars for more than a dozen other charges.
They need to remember that you're doing this for the citizens of Baltimore City. This is not about statistics all of the time. And if you're concerned about your statistic and the movement of your cases efficiently, what do you put in the balance? Justice or statistics?
Even Baltimore City State's Attorney Ivan Bates has called the decision mind-boggling.
If that was your loved one, would you want a judge to dismiss that case for a 1-day continuance? The answer is no.
According to legal expert and former state prosecutor Carly Stimson, it's not the first time Judge Finn's judgment has been called into question.
When you have judges who under-sentence or don't follow the law or take matters into their own hands and give slaps on the wrist instead of long prison sentences, the system breaks down.
Smith was recently convicted of attempted murder in another case earlier this year, so he will not be released anytime soon. Instead, the state will recharge and retry him in this case while he's still detained. Maxine Stryker, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.